Hey guys, what is up? It is Sarah. That is my little Calypso. And that is Rhea, the whiner. So if you hear that, you'll know what it is. It is my sister-in-law's birthday today. And I thought, why not do something different with my life? So let's film a tutorial and see how this comes out. It'll probably be shit. You'll probably never see this. But why not try it? So anyways, here we go. First thing first, a little bit about me. I have rosacea. Thanks a lot, Mom, for being ginger. I appreciate that. We're going to put our contacts in first because we can't go out in these glasses. We can't go out in these glasses. So, I love my glasses though. Well, I dropped my contact. Cool. Oh, love fuzzies. Cool. Okay, awesome. I have mini pets. So that's what that is. Is it okay enough? Do we care? No, not really. Okay, now we gotta spray this down because clearly I'm toasting from something. Whew. Okay, cool down. Gonna go in with some primer. And where brush, where are you? Found you. Okay. Oh, that feels so freaking good. You have no idea. Oh, finally some life brought into me. I got some stuff today at Ulta, so like, hello. I actually got toothpaste from CVS because, you know, priorities. I really like using these brushes, and the one I had just some shitty one from Home Goods or something. Broke. I got the Real Techniques one, and it was buy one get one free, so I got a smaller version. And I got the HOOLA LITE because your girl is pale. I love this HOOLA, so I love it for the summer, but I feel like I put it on the other day. It was so dark on me. Oh, fresh packaging. Look at that. These are the difference. We're going to try this one. Okay. We're gonna prime these eyes. God, this face, this face looks so good. And this side looks just red as hell, but we're gonna move along here. I usually do my eyes first, but how can you even concentrate on my eyes when you're looking at this red freaking cherry? We're gonna set this bitch. I'm just gonna use this brush. So, you know, I just got done letting myself take a week break before I start another book. And I'm like, you know, let's do something different. So here we are. These are my favorite foundations, and they're discontinued. Thanks a lot, Mac, for that. And we're gonna cake this on. My face really needs it today, I think. Bounce her in. Oh yeah. We're going heavy today, guys. Heavy, heavy. We're going to the Venetian. I live in Vegas. It's her favorite restaurant. It's my favorite restaurant. So we get these buffalo chicken rolls wraps things. They're so good. And they have this like crunchy caramel chicken that's like Asian style. Oh, it's so good too. Since it's her birthday, I might, like, I don't know, do a little vlog at the end of this. Who knows? I'll just throw it in for shits and giggles. This isn't really a This isn't really a makeup tutorial. It's just like a get ready with me, but I can always list everything I use down below in case anyone cares. Will anyone care? Probably not. Like, who's gonna watch this? 5 freaking people? Probably. My skin is shit right now because God hates us women and gave us a period. Yeah, so let's just ignore all my nice pimples. I picked a good time for this. My makeup is sticking funny to this one spot right here. Oh, my chin is just so textured right now. It's okay. We have to love ourselves anyways. Even though we're fat, eat too much, have pimples all over our face, we still have to accept who we are. And by that I mean I'm going on a diet tomorrow. What the hell is that? I mean, y'all see that, right? Need a toothpick. We need a Q-tip. What the hell? Oh look, it's gonna wipe away makeup. Freaking makeup. YouTube. Apparently you can't cuss. Oh, this is gonna look like horrible. This will never see the light of day. We have a little Fenty here. Ooh, not cute. I like to just rub it on the back of my hand, and then I'll take my booty blender here and I'll spray it, give it a little so it's moist. Then you put it on. Oh yeah. So now you don't have a harsh line. It's like beautiful. Oh, big day. Okay, we need a little more because your girl got a 5 head. We gotta contour that. And don't worry, it'll look good when I blend everything out. It's alright. Let's try her. Oh, she is thick. She is big. Well, we got a lot. We got a lot to work with anyway, so it's probably good. Let's watch this. To my thick girls out here. We're going under. Oh yeah. And then we just, oh, these brushes work amazing for this. And I draw under my chin because I want it to be harsher, because it's supposed to be such a big shadow under there, or it needs to be, because look at this. Hello. She needs to be a little shadowed harsh down there. Is she snatched yet? Probably not. Probably gonna take, you know, 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds before it's snatched. You know what I forgot to do? Concealer. What is she doing today? Ah, we'll make it 3. Ooh. I really wish I could look at the camera into this, but the viewfinder is so small. How do people do their makeup in the viewfinder and it come out cute? You're freaking crazy. Like, are you a wizard? A witch? You into black magic, bitch? Fill me in how you do that. If you see like a red spot right here, I try and cover it. It's from my glasses, because I wear them too much and we out here being nerds. Oh my god, Sarah. You think wearing glasses makes you a nerd? No. I know. Doesn't make me special. Just makes me blind as f. Am I cute yet? A little cuter? Okay. I'll take it. Ooh, it's time for Hoola light time. I just really want to set what I have because I love the color I have right now. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, she's soft. A soft contour. Ooh, apparently my camera likes getting really hot. I'm bothered by that. I just use my MAC foundation powder and just powdered my whole face, even over the contour, over my whole face, because it softens everything together. And I just like bounced it and like just everywhere, literally. Just, it softens everything. Let's hurry up and put some shit on our eyes because we're hella late. Okay, I'm just using like a medium brown just to deepen
my eye socket.
Edge wants to come in. Let's take this hella gold bronze color. And oh yeah. Oh, that's just what I was looking for. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Sarah, this is why you do your freaking foundation last. Oh, she's pretty. Hang on, my boy dog is crying. Stay right there. Come on, Bubba. Wait, wait. Now that he's in here, they'll probably fight. We'll see. Hopefully they'll be calm. She has a toy too, so sorry about that. This is a quality content right here, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, let me put some highlighter on because that makes me feel better about myself. Anyone else? We take the one and only Fenty brush. We spray her. And then we're gonna take highlighter number 1, soft and gentle. And we're gonna slather her. Let me tell you all. I wanna look one way and one way only, and that is wet, okay? The wetter, the better. And that is all you need to know. We're gonna, sorry, don't mean to flick you off. We're gonna get her nose. Sorry I did that. If you don't like it, get over it. Oh yeah. Oh yes, yes. Highlight. Oh yeah. Sorry, like, highlight does something to me, man. It literally makes me so happy. Now, watch this. This is the best part. You good? Okay. Then we're gonna take this. Oh yeah, it works with my skin tone too, girls. Don't worry. Oh, watch this. Oh my god. Literally. I'm sorry, but. Oh. Yes. Oh. It's the cutest. Alright, we're gonna fix these. Sorry, this is probably turned into a dog video by now, huh? Okay. Okay. That's enough. Oh. Yes, we hear you, girl. I hear ya. That one just needs Jesus, pretty much. Oh, God. Okay, well, my camera just keeps overheating, like, oh. This isn't a crappy camera. That eyelash looks a little wonky, but, like, who cares? Going to put some lipstick. Gonna put some lip stuff on. Does that even look good? Some gold gloss because gold is life. This is who you want to see. Okay guys, this is it. If you all see this, it would be a shock to me that I had the balls to do this. So, yay me if I did. I gotta go. I'm late as hell. And if I do this again, I'll see you next time. Bye!
Iceberg.